Okay, this is test number 2 for the new GoPro Hero 13 Black. The last one just kind of stopped, so I'm not sure what's going on here, but we're gonna see what happens. So, okay, I've just washed the face. Let's whip up some soap. I'm not gonna show you my equipment today, just kind of going about and trying things. So let's say it's just a test video. Nice. Yeah, it's a lemon scented soap, and it smells nice. Okay, now switching around. I'm not adding any water. Let's see. I'm curious how this comes out the screen, and I'm looking at it. It's very small. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see it. I just see that I'm in the frame. The video just cut off. Well, the display of the video just cut off on me. So I'm gonna guess this is still videoing. So I'm gonna keep going and see what happens. Am I really rigidly counting this? No. It's a test video. I'm just eyeballing it right now. Now doing my usual routine. And it looks like it's close enough. I do want to wet the face here a little bit first. There we go, with the face. Let's see here. Anybody's interested, this is a Boston Scally cap. I've got like 4 or 5 of these things. I really enjoy them. They fit, you buy them to your size. Really liking them. Got this one last year, added the Celtics pen this year. Okay, yes, what tipped in my head, Bob? I'm just watching the shadows here, so I tip my head up. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm playing with light today. I've got the camera light on. My first video, it didn't work so well, so I didn't tell you about turning it off and on, but yeah, I'm doing that. I'm experimenting with light today, so I got my Persona blade here. I'm gonna pop that in. See, I'm not explaining my equipment. If those of you know what this is. Not the one in Saturday's video that I'm going to be doing. This one I grabbed out just to do the test. Use that. Oh, let me grab this. You know what that is? That's the one I do for over my nose. Or under my nose, not over. Nice gentle leaf twig. Go. Those 2 sensitive spots are done. Throw on some more leather. Now I'm purposely tipping my head to cover, put the shade over my eyes and things. I'm doing that just so I want to see what it does. I'm going to post this, and then I'm going to watch it on my TV from the post. I want to see how it comes across. Recording in 4K is what I'm supposed to be recording in, so we'll see how this does. But I thought a nice shave video would be the way to indoctrinate this new camera. A shout out to my colleagues at World Courier. When after I retired, they all gave me a bunch of what we call rewards points at work, and I cashed in those points to buy this camera. So yeah, I got a gift certificate to Best Buy and went down there and I ordered it online and picked it up. So thank you, colleagues. Yesterday was my official day of retirement, so I drove up to the office and turned in my laptop and my 2 monitors that I had from home. that were company supplied, and the docking station, all that stuff. All those duties a good employee does when you leave a company. You turn in all your equipment, so that's what I did. And then went out and had lunch with my wife. And of course, I'm retired, so I went to I noticed that the furniture store that I wanted to go to was not far. It was from where we had lunch at Bubba Canoosh in Cary, North Carolina. I recommend it. It was very nice, very tasty. And they had lemonade with mint in it, with like fresh mint, so you could taste the mintiness and the green. Oh, it was awesome. It was awesome. Really enjoyed that. And today's agenda is going to, let's see, I already did the third pass. Here we go, against the grain. Today's agenda, I'm going to get probably a couple of yards of bark mulch. I'm using a brown, like a chocolate brown bark mulch around the house this year. In years past, and I kind of vary, I try different things. The last couple of years I've been using the pine straw because it's the South, the pine straw mulch. They call it long needle pine straw. But it only lasts 1 year, so I think and I've used the bark mulch in a couple of spots, and that seems to last a couple of years. So I'm using that, even though I think apples to apples, it might be cheaper to buy the pine needles. Seems like it's more work to spread it. All that hand, you gotta fluff it up and all that stuff too, and the fall and sell where your spots versus shoveling off the bark mulch from the back of the pickup truck. So yeah, I've got a Toyota Tacoma that holds a yard. If you had a big full-size truck, you can hold 2 yards. But so yeah, one of the downfalls of a smaller truck is you don't have quite the capacity. But then again, I can also park my truck in my garage. I couldn't do that with a full size. Because I thought about it when I was going to buy a truck, what size I wanted, but I just went with a Tacoma because I wanted that longevity. I wanted that truck to last, because I can now make this the last second vehicle I'll ever buy. I don't have to buy another vehicle as my wife retires in a few years too. Whoops, that loosened up. I was wondering why that felt a little off. Let me just go. Let's put a little buffing pass there. It loosened on me, so it felt, all of a sudden it felt aggressive and stuff, and it's like, yeah, now it feels better. I don't remember this one ever loosening on me before, so it's probably my error. Not paying attention when I tightened and snugged it down, I guess. Oh, there's one little hair right there. Which way are you going? That's gone now. There we go. Yep, we're good. We're good. Tipping my head up for just playing with the shadow. Just playing with the shadow. All right. I'm gonna pause. Oh, I can't pause on this one, so I'm just gonna keep going. I might try the editing. It's got editing software I've downloaded, haven't looked at, so I might try editing on this too. But I'm probably gonna just post this raw video, and then maybe edit it afterwards and just play with it some more. But yeah, this is just gonna be raw video. First time used to this camera, so I can't stop it. There's no way for me to pause it. I know I'll have to read the instructions more, watch videos online. Oh, what's this? That's a piece of something. Metal came off of something. Well, I'll put that aside in case it came off the razor. I'll have to look. That would be a bummer because I like this Schick razor. Okay, just getting the washcloth warm. Oh, now I'm going to do a couple of splashes to wipe off the excess soap. All the parts you don't normally see on my videos because I pause the video off my phone to do this. But this also gives me something to practice editing with as well. So yeah, like I said, just raw video. Set that aside. I won't clean my equipment right now. I'm just gonna do a couple of splashes of cold water. I've already got my alum stick right here. We'll sneak in a cup of coffee. Nope, I'm wearing it. There we go. All right, just 2 splashes cold water. Oh yeah. I can get my alum stick. Yep, here we go. Because right now I'm not getting any display video, so I'm hoping it's still on. It may not be, but that's okay. At least I got some parts of it if it didn't. Okay, some stinging involved there too, but see, I loosened up the thing there, and I'm sure it looks like something fell off it too. Oh, yeah, it was just a trim piece. Yeah, the piece did fall off the razor, a little trim piece, so nothing more than a trim piece. Good. All right, let me rinse this off real quick. Okay, rinse that off. Now let's dry off the face a bit. No aftershave today. Yeah, I did use my alum sticks because I'm getting ready to go sweat out in that, this extreme heat today here in the central North Carolina. So it's going to get toasty. It's going to be, heat index warning, all that stuff today. But I'm going to try to do at least 2 yards of bark mulch today. So that's my plans for outside. But shave was nice, except that one spot where it loosened up on me. But other than that, it came out nice. So yeah, good shave. Little stinging, not a lot of stinging, but a little stinging. But it did that Persona blade did well. So yeah, nice shave overall. I liked it. So with that, hope you liked. If you did, please like and subscribe. Go with God.